Welcome to Anglesey Outdoors. My name's Greg.
I'm Bex.
And we're here today to show you how we're going to be running coasteering sessions, keeping to the Welsh Government guidance for COVID-19. This is how we're going to keep you safe and us safe. When you arrive, there'll be a fixed time to arrive at the stores, and that's to avoid overcrowding. So we'd ask you to either hang around in the grassy areas, like so, or around your car until it's time for you to come in here, because we don't want multiple groups in this area at once. When it's your time, we'll bring you into kind of our stores area here. Now, the first thing we'll need to do is get you to fill in medical forms. Now, these are available to download when you book your session or on any page on our website. Scroll to the very bottom and you will find a link to medical consent forms. If you download these and fill these in advance, you can cut this step out and have more time on your session. If you need to do the forms here, we'll have laid them out on the table for you with some pencils that we'll have wiped down, so you can fill in those forms quickly and get that done. In addition to the medical forms, each household will have to fill in a COVID-19 form as well. That has exactly the same content as when you book your session. You'll have all the COVID-19 kind of guidance on there. It's what we expect from you and what we're going to do to keep you safe. These forms do need to be filled in on the day, because things such as has anyone in your household been symptomatic, that needs to be real time. So we'll have to ask you to fill that in here. Once those forms are done, we'll take them off you. Once we've got all the paperwork done, then we will start handing out some kit. We have the tables and a line across the floor and a barrier there, so there is very much an instructor side here for us, and there's a client side there for you. I will be passing kit over this table to you and you will be trying it on. So first things first, get a handstand for me. When it comes to handing kit out, we'll ask you to wait that side of the table and we'll go into the stores and get the right suit for you. I think this one will do for Bex. Yeah, that's about right, so we'll throw that on the table. As you can see, where it says inside front, the wetsuit is inside out. All you got to do then is pull them the right way around and then try and get them on. We're lucky that these O'Neill wetsuits, they actually have a really nice stretchy neoprene to them, so they're dead easy to get on compared to most other wetsuits. When it comes to changing, you can make life as easy as possible by having your swimming costume on already. All we've got to do is hand you a wetsuit and you can just take your outer layers off and stick the wetsuit on over what you've got beneath. That means no crowding in any changing spaces, no touching of common surfaces, or no trying to shield yourself with a towel by the car. If you do really need a changing space, we do have changing rooms and we can allocate a side to your household. We will have wiped them down, and we'd ask you that when you're done, you give them a wipe down with the spray and the cloth as well. Bex is back, dressed and ready to go. Now we'll need to get buoyancy aids. Do that, Bex. And helmet. There we go. This is where we can no longer give physical assistance to getting this kit on. But luckily our kit's always dead simple. So with these buckles, all you got to do is clip 4 things together and pull the tails like so. With the helmets, there's easy sliders on the back. Stick it on your head, flip it up, push that thing in at the back and pull on the chin strap. We'll be doing visual inspect, so I can see that the buoyancy aid looks pretty tight, but well aspects. Put your thumbs under the shoulders and pull it up as hard as you can. So that's a good amount of movement there. If you do need assistance with fitting equipment, we can kind of give you guidance and you can have assistance from other people in your household. Here's the beach on a kind of pretty calm day, and we'll only be running sessions this year when it is relatively calm as well, because we won't expect to have any hands-on with you, which means you need to be at a level of confidence on these rocks and in the water that you don't expect any physical assistance from us. We will of course give you plenty of guidance, and we can throw you ropes and things to help you get out in sections. It's a good little example of a step that we might expect you to be able to do of your own accord. There's a typical coasteering environment here. Make sure you choose big footholds, use your hands when necessary. We'll be telling you where to go. Like I was saying, we'd expect people to be fairly happy in the water. Put your legs together, keep your arms in, go in like a pencil jump. So there's a couple of swims that we'd expect you to be able to do of maybe 30 to 40 metres. Remember, you're wearing a buoyancy aid, you can't sink, and there's no rush with these as well, there's no currents or anything like that. Some places where getting out of the water can be that little bit trickier. What we can end up doing to help you, instead of offering a hand, we can just offer you a rope and you can pull yourself out on the rope. What's great about the regular spots that we go coasteering is even if we can't get close to you, still loads of really good safe jumps you can do without problem. You can't anywhere else, how's the swimming back? Good? All good? It's alright, isn't it? It's me. So if Bex just got out of the water there, unassisted, we know where we can do that. Very easy to do. Yeah! Alright, Bex, find yourself good footholds. That's it. straight, make your way up that corner, follow this ramp up the top, and we're done. Alright, so we've been coasteering and now we're heading back to the centre. So what we're asking people to do is every time anyone arrives at the centre, we're just going to do a little hand washing routine, and we have got soaps and sanitizers out here as well. We do have some outdoor showers here which will get the worst of the salt off you. And then what we'll do, in fact, can we get the buoyancy aids and helmets please? Throw them in a pile down on the gravel down here for us. When it comes to getting changed, again, like I say, you can change by the car, or we can use the change rooms over here, of which Bex is using the left hand side one. Once changed, you will have a wetsuit, buoyancy aid and a helmet. And Bex, can you take all that stuff and just put it in the left hand tub please? Push it down to make sure it's submerged, and that will do. That's the only time you need to come into our side, and all it is to drop that stuff off, and now you're free to go whenever you're ready. All this kit then goes into this tub, and this tub's got milton in it, which is virucidal, means it kills the virus. We leave this stuff in this tub for at least 15 minutes. Once it's all decontaminated, it's been here now for like probably 20 minutes or so. Chuck it to the other side. The other side is just fresh water. Give it a good old rinse in there. I'll hang these up. There's no chance of it being contaminated anymore because it's been in milton solution. So as you can see, there's been no cross contamination between staff and clients in this area, and all the kit has been fully decontaminated. Used another day without any problems. And that is how we keep you safe coasteering Anglesey Outdoors.